So if you're looking to move your project from your account to the client's account or a friend's account or a colleague's account for whatever reason, you're going to do that with the sharing function. So we're going to go ahead and copy this uh, quiz here over to somebody else's account. And we do that by going into, sorry, I did that without talking. So let's go back. We're going to go into the settings from the dashboard of the project. We're going to go into the settings of the project that we're looking to copy over to somebody else's account. We're going to scroll down to the very bottom and click on sharing. And now it says sharing's enabled. And then we're going to copy this link, generate a new, copy this link. Don't click generate a new share link because otherwise it will change and the share link you've already given them will not work. And then from there, they're going to paste in that share link and it will give them the site with a button at the top that says clone this site. And so when they click clone this site, it will create a complete new project in their account. And so now they can just change it and so forth. If you've connected a domain to your version of this, you'll need to unconnect that domain so that they can click publish, manage domain, and then add the domain that they want here. And that way the domain is now pointing to their version of this and not your version of this. So remove all the domains that you have connected to yours and then let them connect it. You shouldn't have to do anything with the DNS because the DNS is already pointing to the correct CNAME for this. So you should leave that where it is. Just to remove the domain from your project and allow them to add it to their project.